Public health officials in rural Macoupin County are working to contain an early outbreak of COVID-19. Tracking down all of the people who came into contact with sick patients is a tall order for a small staff with a lot of ground to cover. WCIA3's Mark Maxwell caught up with the public health director at an ambulance service between calls.
We're working an outbreak right now.
Public health officials in rural Macoupin County are tracking down everyone who came into contact with 16 lab-confirmed cases of the coronavirus.
We all work on contact tracing, so once we get a positive, we work very diligently in long hours to try and track everybody that was in contact with that known positive.
If you had contact with a patient sick with COVID-19 48 hours before they started showing symptoms, the county orders you into a mandatory quarantine for 14 days, but finding those people isn't always easy.
Sometimes contact tracing on one case, depending on how many people were in contact with this person, can take us a full 24 hours or more.
But it is time well spent. County Health Director Christy says she's gone 5 days without sleep under this massive workload, but she feels her work has kept others safe.
We can see a very essential reason to focus our time and energy on contact tracing. It is paying off for us, being able to track where the positives are happening, and hopefully we're able to stop it by putting these people in quarantine.
It has very, very much changed the way that we operate.
Josh Ross runs the ambulance service that spans 325 square miles.
Well, people are very leery about going to the hospital unless they absolutely have to, so that's actually had a pretty big impact on our call volume.
Fewer people are calling 911, but when they do, Ross says they're usually in worse shape. It's that fear, the fear of exposure to the coronavirus, Ross and his staff find the courage to overcome every day.
Honestly, we're kind of exhausted mentally. It does. It takes a little bit of a toll. But then, you know, on the back side of things, at the end of the shift, I think there's a lot of anxiety of, you know, did I make sure I protect myself well enough? What am I potentially taking home to my family?
Reporting in Gillespie, Mark Maxwell.
The county public health director says the state just relaxed testing regulations. Starting yesterday, they can now submit COVID-19 tests directly to state labs, a move they hope will speed up the process. Some private labs were taking up to 2 weeks to deliver results.